Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to hide Meta AI on WhatsApp permanently. If you're using WhatsApp and now you want to hide Meta AI, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to go for WhatsApp, and here you have to tap on Meta AI icon in the top icon, and here just select it, and here you just have to make a chat, and after that you have to go back, and then Meta AI option will appear here. You just have to keep a long press on it, and then select mute icon, just select it, and here select always, then tap on OK, and after that Meta AI will be muted from your WhatsApp. You just have to relaunch your WhatsApp app, and after that Meta AI will be successfully hidden from your WhatsApp. So that's how you can easily hide Meta AI icon from your WhatsApp app. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.